This is the Psi Squad Detective Agency. Starring the special agents, Detective Sam Sleuth and Petrie the scientist. Today's episode, Moving Day.
Moving is the act of taking all your stuff, putting it into a box, and hoping it's all in one piece when you take it out. It can be a stressful experience. I understood why my client was upset.
Hello.
Hi.
What happened?
It's my moving day.
It's my moving day.
Well, I can't move into my house until you move out.
Well, I've only had 5 hours with my movers.
Well, that's plenty of time for my movers.
Well, maybe I have more stuff.
More stuff. Ma'am, I have 50 boxes.
Well, I have 50 boxes. Why would it take my movers more time than your movers?
That is a mystery.
Hey, it doesn't take a detective to figure out that we're faster movers than your guys.
Well, why?
Well, because the other truck doesn't even have a ramp.
What does a ramp have to do with anything?
Well, a ramp makes getting in and out of a truck more efficient. And it's a lot less stress on the muscles.
Petrie, what do you have to say about this?
She is correct. The ramp is also called an inclined plane. It is perhaps the simplest of all simple machines. The ramp works by helping you lift things more easily up to a higher level. The longer the ramp, the easier it is to do the work because less force is being exerted over a greater distance.
Yep, ramps make happy movers.
Okay, you need to get your stuff out so he can get his stuff in.
Yep.
Okay.
And can you lend your ramp to her movers?
Sure, always happy to help a fellow furniture lifter. Hey, I'll even lend you a hand. Maybe the detective will even pitch in.
Yeah, many hands make light work. But first I've got to change, so I'm gonna go to the office and be back.
She's not coming back, is she?
No.
All right.